In this video, I'm going to talk briefly about how to reduce the symptoms of the keto flu. So the keto flu is going to occur when you are switching your body from fueling itself from glucose to ketones. And during this transition, your body is detoxing and eliminating all of the sugar out of your body, all of the glucose out of your body, and it's trying to find the fat to run off of. And so you're going to have a loss of electrolytes during this process, and that's essentially what's causing your keto flu. So if you can replace and replenish your supplements, then you're going to have a lot higher success with eliminating and reducing the symptoms of the keto flu. So 3 very important supplements that you need are sodium, magnesium, and potassium. Now you can get them from avocados, you can get it from just supplements, you can get it from adding salt. Make sure you're putting a lot of salt into the food that you are consuming. Drinking bone broth, drinking broth is going to have a high amount of sodium, and so it's really good to help keep you from having these terrible symptoms. So the terrible symptoms and the symptoms in general from the keto flu, you're going to feel dizziness, you're going to feel headaches, you're going to feel lethargy, which is sleepiness. You're going to feel tired. You're not going to be focused. You're going to be irritable and moody. You're not going to know exactly what's going on, so you're going to feel confused. It's totally possible that you have muscle weakness and that you feel weak and that you don't have the energy to exercise, even if you're normally used to exercising. You're going to have, it's totally possible to have low blood pressure during this time. Nausea, sore throat. You're going to feel sick just like you have the flu. So replenish your food with supplements, or replenish your supplements and give yourself electrolytes. Make sure you stay away from any source of electrolytes that has sugar, because that's what you're trying to avoid. Good luck on the keto journey. Good luck transitioning into ketosis, and talk to you guys soon.